Guys, guess what's happening? A huge Black Country wide event is happening at Himley Park, and we at Excel Church are supporting this event. We're partnering with Love Black Country, where they're going to be putting on loads of fun stuff on Saturday the 9th of July. You need to be there, so get that date in your diary. There's going to be a music zone, there's going to be a youth zone, a kids zone. It's an amazing day for families to come together and have some fun there. I'm actually going to be hosting it, so I would love to see a lot of you there as well. And also Governor B is going to be there. Listen, get the date in your diary, Saturday the 9th of July, and let's go to the Together Festival together. Are you new to Excel Church? Well, we've got a new People's Lunch happening on the 22nd of May, and you are invited to it. So if you've recently joined, we'd love to see you there, where you'll have an opportunity to meet the leaders, the team here at Excel Church, and you'll get to hear more about what we do, our vision, and what opportunities there are for you to get involved in. So why not book in, sign up online to come along, and you'll get a free meal as well, of course. So do let us know if you're coming, so that we can sort catering things for you. So we'll see you at that new People's Lunch on the 22nd of May. Have you heard of Excel Companions? I don't know if he has, but you guys will have. So this is our senior citizens meals that we do here at Excel Church, and we're pleased to share that actually over the next few months we're going to be making the meals free of charge. So why not use this as an opportunity to get some of your friends along to come for these free meals and great company over the next few months. So join us for Excel Companions if you're a senior citizen.
We're going to be running an Alpha course here starting on Thursday the 9th of June. So if you want to find out more, you can sign up on our website and check out this promo.
Alpha Online is a free course designed to give you the space and time to ask the big and often challenging questions about life, faith and meaning. No filters, just honest discussion. To attend an Alpha Online, all you have to do is sign up and then join a weekly online call, all from the comfort of your home. Everything else is taken care of by your hosts. So feel free to pour yourself a drink, get comfy, get your laptop ready, and you are good to go. What have you got to lose? Try Alpha Online.
Our church weekend away, Strength Will Rise, is only a few weeks away. Nobody panic, it's all fine, we've got it under control. But this means that on Sunday the 5th of June, there's not going to be a church service here in Bilston at Excel Church, because of course we're going to all be in Wales. Now if you are coming to Wales, then make sure that you have a look at our website, excelchurch.org.uk/SWR, for all the latest info on different activities that you can sign up for, site maps and other things you can need for that weekend. And if you're not coming with us but you'd like to join us for a day, then get in touch with us if you'd like to join us in Wales for one of the days for that weekend away. We can't wait, and we'll see you there. So don't forget, this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And if you're not already in one, then why not let us know? It's a great opportunity to get to know new people within the church and in the surrounding areas, to grow in your faith and fellowship together. And if you know, the Connect Groups are happening in person now, but we do have one which is still online. So if you'd like to join that, then you can sign up on our website. So that's all for Excel News. Have a great week, guys.